बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज मैं जा रहा हूँ दुबई सफारी पार्क। ये इसकी एंट्री है। अभी यहाँ से मैं टिकट लूँगा, तो आप मेरे साथ रहें। इंशाल्लाह मैं आज आपको कंप्लीट इसका टूर कराऊँगा। टिकट मैंने ले लिया है, अभी मैं एंटर हो गया हूँ। सबसे पहले ये टिकट है 105 का। पहले मैं सफारी करूँगा बस के ऊपर, और उसके बाद ये सारा टूर करूँगा मैं बाई वॉक। अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ अपना सफारी बस के लिए। यहाँ से मेरे पास टिकट है, अभी मैं सफारी ट्रक पे बैठूँगा। ये देखिए क्लोज है सबसे पहले। ये जिराफ है, देखिए।
Mummy, Daddy, that's the bird that gets nectar. Oh, is it? Yeah. It has a beak. It has a beak and it gets nectar from the flowers.
It's coming over.
Oh, see, look how cute it is.
It's taller than. I wish I was taller like that.
ये हमारे बहुत पास आ गई है, देखें। ये देखें बंदर है, बहुत सारे मंकी, बबून। ये है बबून।
Wait, it has a red bum. Also, Daddy, that has a red bum. Dad, why does it have a red bum?
They were banging on the window, weren't they?
Yeah.
Wait, you went to Sri Lanka.
ये देखें बहुत सारे हैं।
That's a baby one. There's a baby one here. There's a baby
No, there's
one.
lots of baby
They're
ones.
checking out.
They're in a play fight.
Sit down. Sit down.
You know what they do that?
Mummy, look. I see one of them has a
Makes them.
Wait, the monkeys are back here.
They're everywhere. Look, they're up on the rock. Look, you've got the big male one up there. You see them on the long hair.
Look, see, there's one, look, there's tail. Look here, tail. On the roof.
Where, Mama?
Look here, can you see the tail? There's one sitting on the roof.
And one's back here. There one's back.
They have black color with white stripes. Those white stripes help them to identify each other because they have different stripes, like a human figure.
यहाँ पे ज़ेब्रा है और हिरन
This is the
देख सकते हैं।
springbok.
Yeah, that's called a springbok.
Springbok, the national animal for South Africa. They can run up to 90 kilometers per hour.
और ये ज़ेब्रा
Mackenzie's living here so
Wildebeest.
और ये खूबसूरत से परिंदे भी हैं।
Sorry? Crown cranes.
Zebra. Wait, that zebra has a white mustache.
The little ones.
Mum, Daddy,
The big ones, they're wildebeest.
Daddy, that mustache, that zebra has a mustache. He has a
Look,
beard.
this one's got wonky horns.
Wait, one of them are broken.
He's had them cut because I think they're growing a bit.
No, the pardo non
Look at the crown.
Raise it. I see a big animal there.
It's out, look.
But I see a big animal there. It's a mummy. It's a mummy, Daddy.
Yeah,
That's
you
mummy. That's mummy.
The big one, this is the
And that's the dad.
the largest antelope in the base of
That
the
one has
world.
twirling.
We
That's the
have
one
the
with the twirly horns. That's a male.
Greater kudu, the third largest antelope in Africa, female.
That is so much poo.
They are extinct otherwise at 2000. They returned them back to Chad and Tunisia at 2017. They can stay without water, found in mountains, they have strong hooves help them to climb mountains.
Wait, what? There's one on my side, Dada. Oh, Dawn's sleeping. I can't see her. Dawn's sleeping.
in here, isn't there?
How is it?
Can you see?
Oh, you do the mask.
Can you see? Two on the rock.
ये देखें बबर शेर यहाँ भी सो रहे हैं।
They back when they see them. Also, they have very sensitive smelling sense. They can smell lions and they can attack lions. Because they are weak to threat because of the illegal hunt for them horns, and the rhino's horns, it's made of guillotine. Also, they have small side eyes. They can because they have the biggest horns. The one-toothed horns, it's empty from inside and it's connected with the blood circulation. The light brown, this
ये देखें क्रोकोडाइल।
and we have two inside the water. Nile crocodile, the second largest crocodile after the saltwater crocodile, who found them in Sudan, Egypt, South Sudan, to help to reduce the body temperature. And let's say
He's just saying, here
here we have the female black bug. Female black bug, they have brown color.
There's baby
And
deer, Mama.
blackbird,
Daddy,
the
I found a
fastest
spotted deer.
antelope in nature,
That's my
sorry,
favourite.
they can run up to 90 kilometers per hour. The others, they are extinct in the wild. Winter, they can change the coat to be brown color.
I found out five.
Here we have the spotted deer.
Here's yours.
Under the tree, we have one, and here
बंगाल टाइगर।
What's your tiger called? Tony.
inside 4 males, 2 females. We put them
और
both
सो रहा
together
है।
because they are brothers and sisters.
One under the tree in there, thing. Look.
In there, look, they're in the trees.
ये भी सो रहा है।
Tiger.
Usually found them in mountains. They have strong hooves, like a magnet hooves, help them to climb mountains.
बर्बरी शीप देखें ये।
Also, Burberry sheep, they are 50% sheep and 50% dogs. Nil guy at the both sides.
इस नील गए।
I love spotted. Spotted deer are for me. Buffaloes and buffaloes. Why are you running?
The maximum speed for the cheetah is 120 kilometers per hour.
ये चीता जा रहा है रास्ते में।
You can see at the base they have black mark. This black mark helps to reflect the sunlight.
The cheetah's
While
like
they
Jay.
and the left side here they go.
There's got one here as well, Lisa.
हमारे बहुत ही करीब आ गए।
It's coming.